I love Joe.
Right.
Oh my gosh. Who's the kid's belt? That's true. They're different sizes. You get bulk, it could be consistent with no pitch. It would have been a bulk. All right. We stay with it. Come on. I need $10. Sure. Bravo! I can't promise if it starts falling, I'll be able to run over and catch it, but I'll...
It's okay. They're just kind of sitting on the fence, like the bottom part, so... Let's go, Luke!
There you go!
Hey, there you go! Go, 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 go!
Good boy, Luke! Yes, sir!
Oh, okay. I was wondering where he's going. Other than that.
Hey, there you go!
Come on. She needs a quick chip.
Good job, guys!
Let's go, Eric!
What's your brother?
Go, Taylor. Have some fun, bud. Go, bubble butt. Go, bubble butt.
Of course, Aaron would want to have fun with it. Let's go, Chandler!
You love it.
You got ducks on a pond, bud.
Back hip. Gonna shout out for the Cobras. I'm gonna shout for the Bulls.
There you go. Way to make it happen. Let's go, X.
Go, Xavier.
Take it off one more. There you go. Good job.
stay with the Bulls. I guess that's what I was asking. Yeah, see the thing. What was it with them? Like 7 minutes. Luis Avila coached that one. Like, actually, I think he's.
Yes, sir! There you go. You know, the Cobras aren't playing in tournaments this fall. That's where we came from.
Is that right?
Yeah, we just ended our season with them the
What
first
who's the
weekend.
coach?
Van Fly.
So, do you know Colin Martinson?
Yeah, he was on our team. Yeah, we played with them in the fall and the spring, so we've been with Melissa and Ben for years.
So he was playing, he was with the Dirtbag class, and they left and went over there and said they told Thunder they liked it a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, we had a good team and we had a good group of parents. It was a good time for sure. It was a great experience.
You're going to go back next season?
No.
Because of the tournament thing?
Yeah. I mean, I get the idea behind it. I think that the quality of the coaching isn't what they want it to be. In my opinion. Because I'm like, yeah, you could do this and get reps and whatever. Because how they have the fall structure is it's an 8-week thing, and you would play every other weekend. And then on the weekends you weren't playing, you had Saturday, Sunday practice. And I'm like, well, if we have the machines and the capability to do all these things, why can't we do both?
Chandler's played.
Let's go, Aaron.
He's played a ton of games.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be different. Yeah.
Is that where? Are y'all seeing with the Dirtbags?
So Chandler's coach got a brain. He ended up. It's like he's fine. He's stepping out with coaching, and I didn't want to coach the team, and then I had a 13 team, and I'm gonna.
There you go, Aaron.
Dig.
Yes, go! We got you on the first try. So are you guys doing with the Cobras?
Chandler's.
Yeah. They have like, so there was another team that was also really good, the Owens team. They've got Salty Boys on that, so it'll be interesting to see how it all divvies up on for the spring.
Chandler's hit like Dr. He's played major ball for the last 4 seasons.
We saw you guys play because one of my my best mom friend on the team, I think we were all playing PG out at Grapevine at the same time.
Yeah.
And y'all were playing, I don't remember if it was Sticks or Edge. I get them all close confused for some reason, but we went over there and watched because my friend, and Melissa was actually over there with us too, because I guess they were watching Chandler, and then I was just over there.
Well, he's got another couple of teammates who got to come over too, so
Okay.
hoping, just trying to find an opportunity to keep them together.
Yeah. Yes, sir! Go Eric! Tried to get 1-3 for this. All right!
King, meet it now, meet it. Meet it, King.
have the pork that's in there?
Already had it. So, her son played on Washington State. No.
Cobras.
Yeah. They started playing over here once the Cobra season ended.
Yeah, so Memphis played, so me, my dad, and Adrian, the first base coach, coached together for like 3 years. But it was when they were playing freshman together. So, and then Edward coached a couple of the other ones, and then they just kind of, but then Memphis went and played in an older age group. And so then we came back down and played with the Cobras in the fall. But Memphis wants to play with his buddies.
No, I should know.
Yeah.
And I will say this, just being completely transparent, the quality of the practices with Edward and Adrian, there's absolutely no comparison. But I don't know with how they're restructuring the fall, you know, I don't know. But just as far as like a normal season thing, I don't know if it was just our coach, because that's my only experience is just with him specifically. He's a really cool guy, has a ton of experience and knowledge.
Was it just
wasn't like
that practice? Or was it the club?
it was just our team.
Okay.
But I think that Justin specifically was just stretched entirely too thin.
I know he's not staying with that. Somebody told me that he's not.
He's not. But the quality of the practices with them that we've had the last 2 or 3 weeks, just hopping along, there's absolutely no comparison.
It'll be different for Tanner then. This is practice are pretty intense.
It sounds like it's going to be that way.
We'll see.
I mean, it sounds like it could work really well. It's just hard for me when I feel like my kid was playing at a really high level because he was having to play up to like older boys, and he's still the littlest one out here, you know what I mean? So he was tiny then. He had barely turned 10 and was playing 11U. So, but I just, he didn't grow, like not just physically, but like as, you know, and they're young, they have a ton of room to grow.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's go, Keith! That's all right, bud.
Go, Keith, here we go.
But I do really like that organization. There's so many like good people that run it, and good people like Hop, super cool. Sean, super cool. And the people there, like the parents, I can't say enough good things about them.
Okay. That's good to know.
And Melissa and Ben, you guys know, but they're really great too.
Higher pitch, 1-9.
Let's go, Keith. Hey, you get another one. Good eye, bud. That's all right. That's all right. Shake that off when you go. Shake it off. Let's go, Caden.
This is told me. I guess you should go play an astronaut team.
Base hit scores, bud. There you go. It's in. Go. Good job, Aaron. Hey, I already told him you got him on the first try. Good eye, bud. Stay planted in there.
Go, go, go,
Good job, Brittany. Way to hustle.
Two balls, no strikes.
Let's go, man.
We creeping, guys.
Run, bud.
Go, go, go,
Run.
go, go. Run, 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 run.
Hey!
Hey, way to hustle.
Hey, good job, bud. Let's go, Luke.
No belt.
Don't let it hit your
No
foot,
belt.
man. Kid.
Is that why it's up in its back pocket? Make sure it's still in that gap so it doesn't fall down. Well, now they do. That's hard. Go, Luke.
Two outs, one out.
I have those tabs in the inside, and then it ends up being like so cinched and yeah. Because then she has to wear leggings, all leggings.
One ball, one strike.
Buddy better right there. Run, man, you got 2 outs.
See, it sounds like that if you leave the inside in. Yes.
Yeah. They're too small. And I got them at 5.5. That was the biggest size they had before I had to spend 130 versus 65. So they don't have a 6, they're just a 5.5, I think. Or maybe they do.
Chandler. Take a play. Get on top of the ball. Chandler, try to get on top of it, dude.
Let's go, bud. Go work. Go work. Stretch your hands. Stretch your hands. I like it, bud. Let's go.
There you go.
Hide your signs.
There you go. Good job, guys.
Shortstop. No, it's not.